Hey, did you check the remote working opportunities on the worktravel.agency website forum or YouTube channel community page?
Well, of course, they didn't, otherwise, they wouldn't be here, but don't worry, we've got you covered.
Hey folks, we're back again with our tips to make you rich. And this time, we will brief all of you on our remote working program. So, tip number 1. Just go to Work Travel already, it's all there. All you need is to search, and opportunities await you. Tip number 2, just visit the page's online work forum, fill it out, and begin your 2-week trial period. While working with us, you'll get hands-on remote working experience, and complete a project-based learning course while earning. What else do you need?
Worktravel.agency website and forum. If you would be interested, just follow 2 simple steps to join the project-based learning course, and then we can talk about next steps.
Anyways, now to the good stuff. Tip number 3. You can work with us by joining a referral program or developing your own business with community support. So, one of our best offers is referral programs, but we have already discussed that in very detail. Do make sure to check out and leave a sub. And then we have good news for our freelancers here. They can just take advantage of our freelancer profile booster campaign and boost their freelancing profiles during our 2-week trial period. Get work, get your gig boosted, and learn new skills. You have to be really dumb to miss this one. The 4th tip for our new remote workers is the monthly bonus schemes. You cannot miss these. You can visit the forum here to see the monthly bonus schemes and get all the details, but for all the lazy ones out there, let me explain a bit. If you click on this simple link here, you'll arrive at the monthly bonus page, and here we can see that the monthly bonus depends upon KPI. Key performance indicators are based on your overall performance over the month. From your unique referral link to video views, everything is a factor, and we at Work Travel never forget to reward hardworking members.
Did you notice that we have few playlists? What is your favorite? What we should focus for?
And finally, the 5th step. Our project-based learning program, where we offer plenty of courses, and all up for grabs for you. All you need to do is snatch this opportunity, from getting paid while traveling, to SEO strategy designs. So, if you are willing enough, and have enough drive in you, we're here to provide you with plenty of opportunities, catering to your specific set of skills, skyrocketing your remote job career. So I think I have covered all the basic points of how to become a millionaire just by sitting home, and giving Work Travel a chance. Thank you for sticking with us till the end. We will be here again with more tips and tricks, and all you need to do is press that bell icon to be notified. Don't forget to like and share as well. Bye.